Moved over so I could see the stars. The camera doesn't do it justice.
Too late.
Not too late. Handsome man, we're in Nashville.
Sneaky man. I see.
Handsome, sleepy man.
I thought you said he saw me jumping. I thought you said flop.
Pussy.
You remember I had a couple of this while I flew aside in my head. See, jokes like anything else. I've been telling jokes so long, man. In my age, I'm beginning to forget them.
Yeah.
So
you still all the time at the table with
this man
y'all.
here,
Yeah.
this man went to the zoo.
Hmm.
And when he got to the zoo, it was dark and everything. And he didn't know he was in the zoo. He thought, and he looks up in the cage. No, I don't want that one. I tell you this one.
Okay.
So this guy had this lion went through the jungles telling him, who's the greatest? Who's the king of the jungle? You can hear that one, didn't you? I mean, you can hear what I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The lion went to the jungle saying who's king of the jungle.
Who's the God? He said, I'm king of the jungle. Who's king of the jungle? And just kept on saying he got to a gorilla. He got to a gorilla, and he said it to the gorilla. The gorilla snatched him in his collar, threw him up in the air, and threw him against some shrubbery and threw him out in the bushes. and so he got through, he brushed himself all off and everything. He said, just because you don't understand what I said, you didn't have to have an opinion, did you? Did you understand it?
Did you understand what he had?
He thought he was the baddest thing in there.
Yeah.
And the lion tore him up.
Yeah, the gorilla.
Yeah, the gorilla. He just think out of it.
Yeah. He said just because he didn't understand. He had to do me like that just because he didn't understand. Yeah, I like it. I like his jokes.
Me too.
It's go. I need to read some of your books. I can probably tell the story if I tried, but I never really.
Young man walked down the street past a king's house, and he went to the gate. Guy told her he could come through the gate because the king wanted to talk to him. So he walked on in the gate, and the king was he had all kinds of jewels. He had things on his shoulder, crown, and all that stuff. And he told the man, the guy that brought him in here, told him to talk to him. So he said, okay. He said, all right, son, you come in here. What I wanted, he said, I want a man. I want somebody, rather, to take my daughter to the prom. Mm-hmm. Did you hear that?
Yeah, you said you want somebody. He wanted somebody to take his daughter to a prom.
Right. So he said, and this guy was a king. He said, Your Honor, I don't want to take your daughter to no prom. And so he said, I tell you what I do. See the robe I got around me? All these jewelry, you wouldn't have to do nothing the rest of your life. He said, I don't want to take your daughter to no prom. He did it about 4 times. And the 5th time, the doctor, the king or whatever you want to call him, said, he said, you don't make no sense. He said, I give you my crown off my head. I've given you my robe. I've given you look at that case of jewelry over there. Just to take my daughter to the prom. He put his hands on his hips and said, what do you want? I want to be the king. I want to be the queen.
He said, "I want to be your queen." Hey, that was a good one. I ain't gonna lie. I would expect it. So I guess he had it out for the king.
All the jewelry he was
Yeah, he wanted him. Yeah, that's a good one.
And see, I can
That's a
remember.
real good one.
I can remember quite a few
That's
like
a
that.
good one.
But you know where I am, and I was about to tell me a joke, so I can remember. Oh, yeah. What they call you?
Zuri.
Louis?
Let me tell my man, Zuri.
I'm not.
You can call me Z.
No. What they do call you?
You can call me Z.
Everybody call you.
No, a lot of friends call me Z, and family call me Zuri.
I'm trying to remember Z. I can't remember any.
She said, "I'm trying to I can't remember A." I know that's a good one. Z, yeah, because it's very hard. I'm not gonna lie, but Z, yeah,
Y'all go out there and you take care.
yes, sir. You know, she want to get a video with you, hugging you.
Oh, I love you. You see how you doing me? That's what you used to do when you were there. And that's why, and when you call me, I always put you coming to the door and open the back door and do it. Just what you did. See, the difference. You're going now, but I have that memory of the whole time. Oh, decent memory. Don't let me down.
I have that memory too. I'll tell him how we used to come visit you.
Yeah, just don't let me down. Try to be the best you can.
I will.
And every time I lose a little white pride, it can make me wanna break down and pray. I was hoping break down and cry like she's. Please don't forget me.
Ain't no way.
We did it though.
Ain't no way.
The other guy looking like fuck that.
Ain't no way.
I don't think his friend gonna join him.
It's crazy.
He said, "Damn, I guess I got to."
No way. They got bro. Nah, he don't like him. Bro, I'm not about to wait for somebody to die. I'm gonna go.
He make. He was like, "Ah, I'm alive."
Crazy.
He made it.
Man, what about that big dip right there? Like, what they get caught up? You can't. They taking a chance. You can get drawn down to this one.
Facts.
I'm fucking sleeping.
And they're in a pile of whale semen. You see the white? They're just chilling in it. Don't get pregnant. I kind of want to see. We gotta scoot over to see them. Bro, there's a rock dip too. They gonna make that one? Do it.
No, they not.
They're gonna try
No,
to
they
go.
not.
Don't die,
Ain't no way. Good.
bro.
Good. Good.
Oh, he made it.
That is crazy. That is crazy.
We'll see you again. Oh, they made it. They didn't die, people. That dude just got overturned a little bit. He made it though.
Is that coming up?
Yeah.
We definitely keep walking.
the canoeer from earlier. We made it to the bottom here. We're halfway done.
Half. Barely half.
Mm-hmm.
And we're the whole group. No, we do everything late.
Got to see it through. Boy. Okay, let's go.
Where's people at?
That area is beautiful. Lit. It's lit. We got lost, but we're leaving the park now. We heard a wolf owl. We went, hoo!
Starts speed walking extremely fast.
I was scared. He
Like,
said, just keep walking. And yes, he calmed me down.
Yeah, I ain't say calm down. I just keep walking.
He was like, just keep
I ain't
walking.
want you to
It's
panic.
okay.
I don't want you to keep panicking because I was like, on the inside, I was like, yeah, it's time to go.
Yeah. He was staying calm for me while we were both inner panicking and I was just outed.
Yeah.
He was very collected and calm.
We would definitely do that in the morning next time.
Yes.
Hey, send me that video. What you doing now?
We're just past the White House.
Big White House.
Big White House.
I'm gonna break in,
Capitals.
vandalize and name it the Black House.
Nigger Nation.
Nigger Nation. Nigger
Nigger
Nation.
Nation. Hard R. No R.
You look cute.
You look cute.
Thank you. She got me off. She better run over people in traffic. She just hit my phone. Man, don't get my earring caught in there. Wait.
You seem a little bit less stressed.
Those who have made this event possible, Reverend Lennox Yearwood and the hip hop caucus. You'll hear from Reverend
See,
Yearwood
buddy.
in a minute. The new
See you later.
You put me on my head, you be no.
says 4-5 and Sino, I heard you. We heard you.
Okay.
Thank you. The people of New
all right.
Orleans and particularly the people of the Lower Ninth Ward.
We're about to head back to Tennessee.
Troy Carter,
Right,
Councilman
okay.
Homer Thomas,
Let us know when you get
Dr.
there.
Jonas Tate, and other
All right.
distinguished guests,
You don't have to
and many
talk,
speakers and
Just say
performers
you're
here.
back and hang up with
I've
me.
only got 3 minutes. There's a lot to say, but I want to say first of all,
Okay.
word of
Yeah, that's all you got.
condolences to all those who lost loved ones, those who lost property,
I'm trying to go to
those
sleep.
who suffered during
Let's get some. I tried to get here a little earlier, but we've been drifting and running all day.
terrible
I heard
mistakes.
Yeah. I was supposed to be back in Tennessee by now, but
Crises are still continuing.
yeah.
Worse, it is a fossil fuel crisis, and
Yeah,
I'm
we're gonna get there in the morning though.
tricky and delicate to talk about the fossil fuel industry here in Louisiana.
Yes,
I
sir.
understand.
Make sure you gonna tell them.
On toilet paper in the rest stop. And then I get to come out to, hold on. Hold on. Hi, milk chocolate. Looks like we got one. We found this fine mofo outside the rest stop.
What?
You come here often? I heard you do some strays for a little bit of change. I didn't think I'd find you. They say you stop at random rest stops. You said you'll do what for $1?
Ain't nobody said.
333. And he said stop calling out all them goddamn angel numbers.
All day, all night, every day, all day. And at least, okay, let it be coincidental. That is getting repetitively annoying.
While it's 1, 2,
They act like you shocked every time you see it.
333.
Why you shocked every time?
I just unplugged everything.
Like, yeah, leave, bro.
Because I love you.
You make me not believe in $100
Damn.
You gotta chill, man. 12:30, 12:31, 12:32, 12:35. Hey, yo, can we get the map back on?
I hate to 1, 2, 3, 4 on the clock.
Get the map so I can know which exit I gotta take, because the exit comes up right now as we speak.
Okay. Damn.
Yo.
1, 2, 3, 4 on the clock.
Tell me what's wrong. You say that it's my fault. Bring it word out.
I ain't just saying, what?
He said he's gonna eat my ass.
I'm ready to go home. I'm ready to get home.
I bet you
Back
are.
in the bed. Bed is calling me.
Your PP is calling me in the bed.
I don't know what you're running from.
Wait, if you want to make money playing games on your phone on Free Cash, you don't even have to download an app. You can just go straight to their website and you can make even more money. You could be playing games, surveys, use apps like Earnin, Target.com, things that you already use on a daily basis and still be making money. And then if you're feeling lucky, you can even go to the casino, the arcade, and then you can bet the money that you're already earning for free and try to double it, triple it, quadruple it, or even win things like iPhones, headphones, gift cards. You can automatically withdraw your money through Stake, but if you don't use Stake, you can do PayPal, gift cards, and so many more different options. I have already cashed out over $95. If you want to make money playing games on your phone, make sure you go click the link in my bio and it'll be in the description and use my code so you can automatically get your first $5 to already cash out and you just downloaded it.